Hi, I'm Charlie. This is Charlie's teaching train. All aboard. Do you like ants on a log? But do you find it annoying when you're trying to watch your favorite video? So, to make it easier to eat, we're gonna make fire ants on a log, but instead of using regular ants, we're gonna be using fire ants, also known as dried cranberries. And instead of a log, we're gonna be making some mulch in the form of diced celery. First, to make fire ants and mulch, we'll need some peanut butter. Now that we got the peanut butter on, let's put our mulch and fire ants on. Now that you got the mulch and the fire ants on, now you can add jelly. We're using strawberry, but you can use whatever jelly you have. Now that you got the jelly on, now it's time to put the two pieces together and enjoy.